Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. So this is the end result. I'm just loving it. This is one of my lotion bottle, and then I painted, like you saw the process, painted white, and I stuck those straight thin stickers, and then I painted pink in between and to get that white and pink stripes, and I painted the lid with pink paint. And this is one of the rub-on sticker from Dollar Tree. It's got like rose perfume. So beautiful. And the end result is so beautiful. I'm just loving it. And this is actually inspired from Indiana Jones, and she has so many shabby chic projects. I don't know which one to pick, so I chose this one. But my favorite one is the throne that she made for her mom for Mother's Day. I am going to do that in one of my videos, so please stay tuned. So this is one of the beautiful project I got inspired from her videos. I hope she likes it, and I'm absolutely loving it. So let me know your thoughts on this as well. This video is in collaboration with Try It Tuesday, and this is hosted by Sammie over Unicorn Dust Design and her co-host Rebecca Virginia DIY. I'll leave the links of their channels as well as the playlist of all the participants in my description box. project was inspired from the official craft nut, and I love how Liz created this whole jar, and she created like a flower vase, and so I just fell in love with that one of her jar flower vase. So I thought like I should recreate it. So I had one of the used candle jar, and I painted pink, like you saw the process around it, and I gave like a 2 or 3 coats to get that nice pink color, and I stuck with the wooden beads on bottom, the tiny beads from Dollar Tree, and I painted pink that as well. And once it dried, I had one of the cotton lace ribbon around the neck of the bottle, and I created a cluster with several of my pink and white lace ribbon, and one of the satin ribbon, and one of the other beautiful ribbon. It's so beautiful together. I made a cluster, and then I actually stuck it to the top of the jar. And this is one of the cute flower that I got from Dollar Tree, and it is going well with the theme, so she's also in the party. And I stuffed a lot of white and pink flowers as a flower vase, and this is such an absolute beauty. I'm in love with this project, and I hope Liz also likes it. So let me know your thoughts on this. This is the final reveal of my beautiful Shabby Chic home, and this is inspired from Sammie's unicorn dust design. So I wanted to recreate that. It was so beautiful, but I didn't get the blue paper. Instead I got the pink one, so I changed the color scheme to pink. So like you saw the process, that home is from Dollar Tree, and I stuck one of the gift wrapping paper which had like nice floral print on it, and I stuck popsicle sticks or crab sticks on top of the home, and I stuck a lot of floral moss, and one of the pedestal. On top of the pedestal I arranged this house, and I created bow with several of my ribbons. One was this lace pink ribbon. It was lying in my stash, so, and also white one, and some cotton lace, pink satin ribbon, and some floral ribbon. So I just made it a cluster out of it, and then I just tied it around the pedestal, just like so. And I wanted to add something in the front as well. It was kind of empty, so I added some more Spanish moss and one of this beautiful flower that I got from Dollar Tree. So yeah, this is my end result and I'm loving it. So let me know your thoughts on this. So these are the few of the Shabby Chic projects that I am in love with. So I created all three from three different creators, and I hope they all like it, and I am loving it. So now that I started doing the Shabby Chic projects, I am in love with this style. So I'm going to create some more Shabby Chic style projects. Yeah, please stay tuned for that. So like I always say, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.